Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Acer Nitro 16 AMD, a gaming laptop that promises impressive performance without breaking the bank.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk specs.
The Acer Nitro 16 AMD comes in a range of configurations, but all share some common features.
Under the hood, you'll find an AMD Ryzen processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPU, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles.
And with up to 32 GB of RAM and speedy SSD storage, multitasking and load times are a breeze.
Now, onto the design.
The Acer Nitro 16 AMD sports a classic gamer aesthetic with angular lines and bold accents. While it may not win any awards for slimness, it's built like a tank and provides ample ventilation for cooling during intense gaming sessions.
Plus, the full-sized keyboard with RGB backlighting adds a touch of flair to your setup. But let's get to the real meat of the matter: performance.
Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or tackling productivity tasks, the Acer Nitro 16 AMD delivers. Thanks to its high refresh rate display and powerful hardware, gaming feels smooth and responsive, with frame rates that'll keep even the most competitive gamers satisfied.
Now, onto battery life.
Like many gaming laptops, the Acer Nitro 16 AMD doesn't excel in this department.
While you'll get decent mileage for everyday tasks, gaming on battery power is a no-go.
For extended sessions, you'll want to keep the charger handy to avoid any interruptions.
Highlight of the day. So, should you buy the Acer Nitro 16 AMD? If you're a budget-conscious gamer looking for solid performance without breaking the bank, then absolutely.
With its competitive specs, gamer-centric design, and affordable price tag, it's a compelling option for anyone in the market for a new gaming laptop.
And that's a wrap on our review of the Acer Nitro 16 AMD.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.
Until next time, happy gaming!